Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. So another trading week is done. It's now Saturday. I'm just going to go over all the trades that I took last week. Hope you all had a good trading week. Let me know in the comments below whether you made profit or made a loss last week. But anyway, I started my new FTMO challenge. I got the credentials Monday morning. Took the first trade Tuesday. So let's hop onto the charts. I'll show you which trades I took last week, and yeah, let's go from there. So the first trade that I took, which was on Tuesday, is a GC sell. I was looking at this trendline retest. If you go onto the daily time frame, you can see we broke out here, we retested. So we already retested this trendline, and then I took the trade on this retest here. So you could say the trendline retest was already done, but what I like to do is if more confidences build up in that area where the trendline retest is, I'll just take it again. So what we had a 23% fib. So this was the low, price come up. We had the 23% fib with this intraday key level, as you can see here, and we had the 14 EMA. So we had like 3 confidences, and then we had the trendline retest for backup. So literally, yeah, sniper entry. I took like 35 pips on this or so, and then we come back to break even, as you can see on this 15 minute. So literally tap the box, dropped off 50 pips, come back, and then dropped off like hundreds. But yeah, we also had the oil correlating with this GC trade. So we had this key level. If you go onto the monthly, this key level over here. So you broke out on the daily, broke back below again, and then we retested in this area again, which also lined up with this 61 fib from this level. So from this move down, 61.8, perfectly lined up with this key level. So that was added confidence on my GC sell trade. Really good setup, really. And yeah, smash TP. So the second trade that I had, I believe, was on Wednesday. I only had 2 trades this week. It was a simple third touch trend line and the 800 daily EMA, which you can see here. So just come shy off the trend line. If you look on C-Trader on this setup, it literally tapped the box perfectly where the trend line and the 800 EMA was. But on TradingView it shows that it didn't quite get there. But yeah, literally sniper entry again, and yeah, smash TP. So a couple misses that I had this week was Australian dollar, US dollar. I think I spoke about this in a video like 2 weeks ago. Just get rid of this fib. So I said that I was looking at this 61 fib from this move down with this previous high, but I literally missed it by a pip. Yeah, and I cancelled this, so didn't make any profit from this. You can see we come like 5 pips away, moved off 34, so it would have been TP. My entry is at 0.7528, so literally like this spread missed me on this, and then yeah, we cancelled the pending and it come back up and it worked again. But at that point it's just too risky for me really. The trade's already worked, so it's best just to cancel it and yeah, move on to the next. So USD Swiss, I didn't take this trade, it didn't miss, but it still worked. I'll show you why I didn't take the trade. So we had the 61 fib, we had a trendline retest as well, just put that on. So what I was looking at early last week was we had this trendline retest here, and then a 61.8 with this key level. You can see there's a really good key level running through. I believe we had the weekly 100 EMA as well. Yeah, the red EMA just below, as you can see. But what I was looking at, it was too wide of an area to include the trendline retest. It's like 25 pips. So I have my pending set on a 61 fib, and I was hoping that the price would just break right through the trendline retest and then bounce off the 61. But obviously we bounced off the trendline retest and it took a lot of orders out of the market here. So then when we pushed up and we come back down, it was a bit too risky for me. So I just cancelled the pending on that one. But yeah, if we just broke the trendline retest, it makes the 61.8 even stronger. But yeah, like I say, we cancelled that one, but it still worked for 35. But yeah guys, not too much happened. I took 2 trades, they both won, so that's pretty good. I'll show you the FTMO a second. So it started on the 22nd, which was Tuesday. That was my first trade this week. 2 trades so far, running 2.8% profit. And these are the trades here that you can see that I took last week. The Euro USD trade that I took was just to add up on the minimum trading days. As you can see, I need to get a few more of them next week actually. So yeah, I haven't really got much for next week either. I've got a couple setups, I think. Obviously you got this fib here, but if we extend higher then the fib's invalid. But the 61.8 lines up perfectly with this wick, and round number 127. Let's see what else we got. This here's miles away, Euro Swiss, 100 EMA on the weekly, 61 fib key level. So Euro CAD 61 fib on the monthly, but it's just one confluence, so I won't be using that. But I can use it as a confluence if other CAD or Euro pairs line up. So that's something I'll be looking at. But yeah, I definitely won't take that trade by itself, it's too risky for me. So all the cross yen pairs have literally been going to the moon. So what you can do, just mark out the key levels and pretty much wait for a pullback. So only if like a fib lines up there, I won't take the retest by itself, although it could still work. But as you can see from this fib, if we retrace from here, the 50% lines up perfectly with this key level, which is also a good key level number, 1.56.2. So this would definitely be a trade that I'll be looking at, but it just depends whether we retrace here, we'll just keep pushing higher. But if we push higher, obviously you've got this next key level here. Be nice to extend up there and have the 38 fib with this round number 158. But yeah, that's just me trying to predict the future, and it's just not going to happen. So we just got to wait, see where it retraces to, and then see if a fib lines up, and yeah, we'll go from there. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. 2 trades, 2 wins, not a bad week really for a slow week. And yeah, let's see what happens next week and see what happens with this challenge. I might do a video soon when I get a fresh FTMO account, maybe document the month of trading and like withdrawing the profits if we make any profits for that month. But yeah, we'll see what happens. Let me know in the comments below what you want to see, and yeah, we'll go from there. But yeah, appreciate you watching, guys. Cheers.